Hi there. Would you like to see how the future simple passive voice is used in practice? Great. This is how you do it. 1. Watch this video, and before each part, 1 to 2, check if you know all of the words and phrases from the list. 2. If you don't, you can use our Quizlet course to learn them. It is available in 6 languages and it's for free. 3. If you know all of the words and phrases, just listen to the stories. This way, you will practice the future simple passive voice, vocabulary, and listening skills. These stories come from this book, so if you like books or need the vocabulary lists and stories in a paper form, you can get the book on Amazon. Link in the description. Are you ready? Let's start. Part 1. Future Simple Passive Voice, 1. Story 1.
Sarah's book for children. Sarah is writing her second book for children. It will probably be finished next month and published next year. There will be a lot of colorful drawings in the book, and they will be created by kids from a few different countries. The book is about an 8-year-old girl, Ruby. She travels the world with her parents and learns something new every day. The story will be written in English, but it will be translated into Spanish as well. Sarah is an excellent writer, so it will be read and enjoyed by thousands of children. Her first book was a hit, and this one will be even better. It will probably be sold in popular bookshops and online. Maybe it will be made into a movie one day.
Story 2.
An important package. Nathan is waiting for a package from a jewelry store. It will probably be sent today, so he hopes that it will be delivered to his office next week. Why will it not be brought to his house? Because it's a gift for Rosie, his girlfriend. She doesn't know about it, so the surprise can't be ruined. The gift is a gold necklace. It will be packed into a small box with the letter R on it. It's very elegant, so it will definitely be worn for special occasions. Nathan is going to give it to Rosie during a romantic dinner in their favorite Italian restaurant. The dinner will most probably be cooked by Roberto, the most experienced chef there. Nathan will phone the restaurant today to discuss the details with him.
Story 3.
A new place in town. Most people in our small town are very excited because they say that a new gym will be opened here next year. It's the hottest news right now, everybody is talking about it. They say that many different fitness classes will be offered there. Zumba, yoga, aerobics, and even kickboxing. The classes will be taught by professional instructors. All the equipment will be bought by a local businessman. They will probably cost a fortune, but he has enough money and wants to do something for others. His money will also be spent on renovating the building. Isn't that great? It definitely sounds great, but will it really happen? We will see.
The end of Part 1. Part 2. Future Simple Passive Voice, 2. Story 4.
Richie's future. Some people are scared to think about the future, but Richie isn't. He thinks about it a lot and often imagines what will happen to him. He is only 9 years old, so his ideas are interesting. He hopes that his school will be closed by the president tomorrow and will never be opened again. He will learn at home, but his homework will be done by a robot. The robot will be built by his friend Tina, and it will be controlled by a small remote. One day, the robot will be stolen by aliens. Richie will have to travel to space to get it back. His mission will be shown on TV, and it will be watched by millions of people all over the world. Of course, he will become famous and will be named a hero.
Story 5.
The world in 2075. What will the world be like in the year 2075? Let's imagine. It will definitely be different than it is now. There will be fewer cars. Most of them will be electric, and they will be driven by computers. Computers will be used to control almost every aspect of our lives. Many jobs will be done by robots, but people will still be needed for a lot of tasks. Cities will be designed smartly to make life easier for us, and green energy will be used as much as possible. Public transport, buses and trains, will be free for everyone, so it will be used more often than cars. Children will be taught about ecology at school every day, so they will make smarter choices. The world will be cleaner and greener in 2075.
Story 6.
Kathy's new business. Kathy is very busy right now. She is writing a business plan. She is very focused, so it will probably be completed in a few hours. She wants to open a career center for women to help them find their dream jobs. At Kathy's career center, women will be interviewed by experts. The experts will be carefully chosen by Kathy. They will help each woman choose the best options for her future career. They will also help her write an effective resume and get ready for job interviews. Professional advice will be given to women for free once a week as well. Kathy hopes that the center will be visited by at least 5 women every day.
The end of part 2. Great job completing all of the stories. Well done. You've practiced the future simple passive voice, vocabulary, and listening skills. Remember to review the words and phrases you've learned. Try to review the vocabulary every day. Even 5 minutes per day will make you better. And continue learning with our stories. Here are some that you might like. Happy learning.